Okay, before creating an application, we'll create one operator for you. You are using some admin operator, right? Some other operator. So we'll create one operator. Click on the bottom A icon. Bottom left here. Click on Operator. Save as this operator. OK. Saving as in the sense you will get all the privileges, all the accesses which you have for this operator. You will get the same thing for your operator also. Click on the down arrow beside the save. Yeah, click on Save As. OK. Yeah, give your name here. And below also same name you can give. See right now what we are doing every day. You are logging in with other operator, right? Some system given operator ID. Now you are trying to log in with your personal operator. Yeah, click on Create and Open. Okay, you have created one operator for you. Okay, and now you have to update the password. Go to Security tab. No in the operator ID only. Yeah, click on Update Password. You can update your password. Give you a simple password. Okay, save your operator. Save, as will create another instance. Okay, like another operator, it will create. Now you have saved your operator. Right now we'll try to create one new application. Okay. Click on Google Road on the top. You have Google Road. On the top application header. Application Configure Launch. Button. OK. Yeah. Now click on New Application. OK. Click on Build from Scratch. You can click on Thumb Down. Let's start the easy to do here. Cosmos might be both. We select the theme Cosmos. You can name your application. Let's build an online food ordering application. OK. You can provide a name of an application, like food order or something online order. Don't give spaces, OK. Just give food or no. No, don't give that much big name, it will not take. Just give food order. That's it. Click on Advanced Configuration. OK, every time you need to see what is the configuration present as a developer. See, here you have so many things. See, organization name is not Google. We will change the organization name. Like you might be working for some organization like a cake master, like a. Similarly, you are creating an application for some cake master. Backer will be there. Backer it. OK, if you're trying to create an application for them, you need to give here as cake master or something like that. OK. You can give me one organization name. These are food order application. Try to give any food chain. This thing. No, you try to give any like Domino's or KFC, something like that. You can give something. Division name is even U, division DAV, and unit can be unit. Only don't give Subway. You try to give any small, and KFC you try to give because it's taking only 4 letters. Yeah. FC hyphen. Application is food order. Instead of food. Order FC hyphen. What should we do? Let me think. Class group name must be work on the everyday. You should not change the class group name. OK, organization application, KFC hyphen food order, hyphen work, hyphen in the sense will create hyphen in the background. OK, when you have created this one, the class structure will get created. OK, you can click on save. It's fine. OK, now you click on create application. Here it is asking for what are the operators. We should give this application access. OK. You give your own operator is asking for the operator ID. If you click on down arrow, click there. Yeah, click on down arrow and click on down arrow. No down arrow in the keyboard. OK, now click on add. Now operator will get access to this particular application. What happened? Not liquid. Yeah, that's OK, click on done. OK, now go to your operator. Now you have created one application. OK, go to your operator. You have already opened it, right? Click on Actions and refresh. See, guys, you need to least bothered about these things. OK, these things you will not do in your real time. OK, only leads and all will create one application in your working environment. You will not create application. You will be working on, already built on application. What I'm trying to say is like you will not create new application, new class structures.